Multiple officers.
Put the knife down!
Multiple warnings. A knife in his hand. A white bag at his side.
Shoot the taser!
They try tasers.
Get on the ground!
They shout commands. The knife never leaves his hand. This footage is real. The moment captured offers no easy answers. Only one brutal truth. A knife in the street and no peaceful way out. On Monday, April 14th, 2025, just after 6:20 a.m., multiple civilians in Astoria, Queens called 911. They all described the same thing. A man walking the neighborhood with a knife. Black jeans, burgundy shirt, brown vest, white bag, navy hat, and a mask covering his face.
Okay, there's a guy with a knife walking around the neighborhood.
What's he wearing?
Black jeans, brown vest, carrying a white bag.
So, I should have black jeans, brown vest, and white bag.
Burgundy shirt, yeah. He's in like a navy blue hat.
And he has a mask on?
Yep. He's walking toward 32nd Street now. I'm kind of following him.
Is he waving the knife?
He's doing all kinds of crazy shit with a knife, like he's trying to hunt somebody. He's walking around the neighborhood, like, looking at people. You better hurry up.
4 uniformed officers from the 114th Precinct were dispatched to the area. En route, they were flagged down by a witness confirming the man's location.
He had a knife?
Yeah, he's walking around the neighborhood, screaming at people.
Okay. Did he have a gun?
A knife.
Just a knife? Okay, where'd he go? Go.
3-1 and 3-0. 3-1 and 3-0.
3-1 and 3-0.
Where Charlie? We're here.
The man is found standing in the middle of the street, brandishing a knife in his right hand. He's speaking unintelligibly. Officers keep their distance and shout commands.
Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the... No. 114 Adam, 114 Adam. Put the knife down! 3-1 and 3-0. 3-1 and 3-0. Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down, sir! Sir, put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Sir, put the knife down! Oh, Central, get you to shoot out! Get you to shoot out, Central! You gotta make up for it! Get you to shoot out! Yo! Get out of the ground right now! Get out of the ground! Yo! Fucking ground right now! Get out of the ground! Oh, Central, get you to shoot out! Get you to shoot out, Central! You gotta make up for it! Get out of the fucking ground right now! Get out of the fucking ground! Yo! Get out of the fucking ground right now! Get out of the ground! Get out! Get out of the ground right now! Put the knife down! You're Montana! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Yo, shoot the taser at his back! 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 Taser to the floor. Put the taser to the floor. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put the knife down.
The officers deployed tasers, conducted electrical weapons in an effort to subdue him. But the devices fail. He isn't fazed. He turns, walks away, still holding the knife. Without warning, the man spins around and moves aggressively back toward the officers with the knife in hand. A knife, failed tasers, a step forward. 3 officers fired 19 rounds in total. 7 shots from one, 2 from another, 10 from the third. The suspect drops instantly on the asphalt. Was it too much? Too fast? Or exactly what the moment required?
The knife down, sir! Knife down! Shots fired, sir. Shots fired.
This wasn't a sudden ambush. Civilians reported the threat minutes before. Officers approached cautiously, issued warnings, and used non-lethal force first. But when all tasers failed, and the suspect turned and advanced, 19 rounds were fired in just seconds. Remember, stay alert, stay calm. One better decision can save your life or someone else's. If you value real footage, real stories, and real accountability, like this video and subscribe for more cases where split-second choices define everything.